All right, yes, sir. Happy International Women's Day to all the female folks out there. We are saying Happy International Day to you. And a whole lot to be happy for this time around for the female folks. Because at the end of the day, once you look at it, we have every reason to celebrate you guys. You guys are bold, you guys are strong. Your smile is enough, to push us forward. We the male folks sometimes, we want to show ego and strength, but once we see you with that smile, with that strength, we're always happy to move forward. That's why today we are celebrating you. From everybody at Space 90.1 FM and Afro Space TV, we are appreciating all the female folks out there today. Thank you for being strong. Thank you for being bold. Thank you for not getting weak. Even when you're weak, you strengthen yourself up again. It has not been easy. We know it has not been easy. That is why we are saying thank you for everything. We love you so much and we celebrate you. I doff my heart for you. I'm saying thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please and please, I want you to stay positive. I want you to stay strong for yourself. Don't let anybody tell you are weak, because you are not weak. You are strong. You are strong like an eagle. An eagle would always fly. That's why you guys are flying every day. Thank you so much once again. I love you and we celebrate you from Afro Space TV.
Afro Space TV, Africa to the world.